In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit multiple choice responses in Google Forms. This feature can be incredibly useful when you're trying to manage responses more efficiently and ensure that you're collecting the most relevant data from your audience. So, let's dive right in and get started with these straightforward steps. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Forms website. You can easily access it by simply searching for Google Forms in any search engine. Once you've arrived at the Google Forms homepage, you might either create a new form from scratch or open an existing form that you wish to edit. For today's tutorial, I'll assume that you've already got a form ready and are looking to modify a specific question to limit the responses. Now, locate the question where you'd like to restrict the number of responses. Click on the question to select it. This action will open up several different options and settings that you can adjust. You should see a few different icon buttons below the question, one of which is marked with a gear symbol for settings. Click on this button to open the question's settings menu, where you can customize its behavior. Within the settings menu, there are several options to explore, but for our purpose, focus on the response validation option. This tool lets you set parameters and limits for the answers you receive. When you select Response Validation, a new section appears where you can specify the criteria for answers. The next step is to choose the Select at Most option from the drop-down menu next to the main criteria list. This setting allows you to determine the maximum number of answer choices a respondent can select for a particular question. For instance, if you want to limit the maximum number of selectable options to 3, simply enter the number 3 into the provided field. Additionally, just below this input field, there's an option for entering a customized error message. This message will appear if a respondent tries to exceed the selection limit that you have imposed. Crafting a friendly and informative message can help guide your users to adhere to the limitations, ensuring a smooth experience for them. Once you have set the desired parameters and error message, it's time to save the changes. Exit the settings menu and return to the main form editing screen. Take a moment to review the settings and make sure everything is in place. To verify that your response limits work as intended, preview the form and try to select more options than allowed, ensuring your error message displays correctly. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently manage responses in Google Forms by limiting the number of multiple choice selections. This is a great way to ensure you're collecting high-quality data, whether it's for surveys, quizzes, or any other type of form-based endeavor. Thank you for following along, and good luck with all your future Google Forms.